I'm gonna be doing a review basically on, oh my god, you guys have no idea how long I have been waiting to get these bloody eyeshadows. I swear to god, they are by Chaos Beauty and they are like the most, apparently the most incredible, it's like an incredible color shift, etc. There's only 7 colors and I was just thinking, oh my god, surely we could do something with having it all of my eyes at the same time sort of thing. We're gonna give it a go. I'm in my pajamas. I literally look like a mountain in this. I'd look like Mount Everest and I'm not too sure why. Yeah, so let's get started! Okay, so they're just in a Colourpop empty palette because they just come like loose and I wanted to put them in a magnet palette. Do you get what I mean? It cost me a fortune. So these better be the best eyeshadows that I've ever tried in my entire life, or I am going to shit myself and cry myself to sleep for the rest of my life. So, can I just show you the shadows? This is what they look like, and they're meant, oh, it might not work with this lighting, but it's meant to, look, it's not even doing it. It's meant to have like an intense, crazy color shift. I'll insert some videos here. So here on Instagram, it looks absolutely incredible, doesn't it? It looks absolutely, like I saw these and I was like, I have to have them. They look absolutely amazing. Like, who does not want this? You know, who doesn't? So I was like, yeah. Also, can I just say, I ordered this. I should actually like have receipts and like look when I ordered them, but I think I ordered them early March, so it's been nearly 3 months. I literally got these yesterday, so it's nearly been 3 months since I got these. These are from America, Tennessee. They make everything themselves. I'm just a little bit sketched out. Emailed them like about 3 times, 2 or 3 times, going, where is it, where are they, am I being scammed, bro? Because honestly, like, this is taking far too long. And they're like, you're meant to wait a month after, all this weird shit. I don't know, I can't remember. Take my word for it. It was just a bit of a hard time to get them, okay? But finally got them. So here's this one. Oh, look at that. Goes from green to like a, oh, from over here, oh, see, oh, look at this, wow, oh, and then you go closer and it goes green. It's, yeah, wow. Okay, so we're gonna swatch this on my arm. Okay, so I've just swatched all of them on my arms. I literally just tried showing you guys like this, what they look like, and I literally look like a spastic because nothing came up. So like, here they are here. But I'm just gonna film it from my phone so you can see what the actual real deal is. Okay, I'm filming with the flash on. See? Oh my god, look at this. It like, the bottom one especially, oh my god, it like completely changes color, like, oh my god. Look at these. They are very cool. But yeah, the angles, like the, oh my god, I'm trying to get like, trying to show you the full color. Oh, here I am. So I'm gonna put some on my eye and then I'm gonna take them off and just keep layering them on and seeing if like they do a shift. I've got a ring light right here. There's like not a lot going on, but like maybe I need to like wave my ring light around like this maybe. I don't know, who knows. So this one that I'm putting on is called Nirvana. I think it needs like another layer. It kind of looks cool with this eyeshadow look that I've done. This eyeshadow look literally took me 2.5 seconds. Do we see any changes, or does it just stay green? Hard to know. Hard to know. Obviously I don't know until I see myself editing. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, the lighting is very temperamental. Like, kind of need this, I need to like be doing this in like the sun somewhere maybe, you know what I mean? Like, I just feel like it's just not really doing its like full potential here right now. Okay, the next one that I'm putting on is, I think it's called Seaside. I'm pretty sure it's Seaside. If it's not, then shit me dad, it's wrong. So annoying, the pans don't have the name on them. Ooh! Oh, this looks so cool with like this look. That's so gangster. So this is Nirvana and this is Seaside. Do we notice anything? I don't know. Could look amazing in the sun. I am just in an office right now with artificial lighting. Me looking in the mirror, I don't really see any difference. any crazy difference. This would probably be like a huge like hit at like Coachella or some shit. It's so hard to tell what each of them are. This could be Seaside. What did I just put on before? Oh my god, this is a mess, guys. I don't know. This is so difficult. What's got blue and purple? Could be Rebel Girl, actually. Oh my god, it's just so difficult to tell. Okay, to be honest, I don't even know what one I'm putting on right now, but it's meant to be like blue, green, yellow. Oh my god, it just will not pack on. It's so like... Oh my god, can you see? It's just not packing on! Why won't it just stick? I didn't expect this to have lots of fallout. Ooh. Oh, did we see that? Look at this. Oh wow. Oh my god, look at this. That's actually quite nice. I don't even know what that is called, to be honest. I can't work it out by the pictures. They just all kind of look very similar. I'm sure if an employee was watching this, I'd be like, oh my god, what is wrong with you? They are obviously all so different, but I just can't really tell the difference. The other one that I put on before on this eye could have been Rebel Girl. Who knows? I'm gonna put the swatches up. Like, I seriously don't really know which one I've just put on because they don't have the name at the bottom of the thing. So it's kind of like, well, I don't know. Don't know what's going on here, but I think this one that I'm putting on is called Lucent. If it is, cool. I'm really happy. So this is a pink and extremely violet purple reflect. Oh, wow. Yeah. It's like, wow, look how dark it is. Wow. But like in the pan, it's like so pink. Oh, this pigment's so good. I actually like this. It's going on so much smoother. Wow, it's so blue on camera. Wow, that's insane. Wow, that's cool. Oh my god, can you see the shift? This is like the only one that's kind of working on camera. Wow! But like in the picture, so this is the one that I used. Oh no. See that? Like how it goes pink? Can you see how it goes like super duper pink? That's what I see while I'm like doing my makeup. Oh my god. I am currently inside, oh my god, look at that! I'm currently inside my ring light to show you what the heck is happening here. Can you guys see this? Wow. Okay, go back. Wow, that's very, very interesting if I do say so myself. Does anyone watch John McClane on YouTube? God, he cracks me up. Shit, God, he's so funny. Just the way he talks and how he enunciates everything and talks like this and everything is said in a really posh way. Oh my god, this is all over my pajamas! Oh my god, I look like a disco ball! Oh, so far, my favourite one is Lucent. So thank you, Lucent. Very thoughtful, very nice. When we reported to Messy Mondays on Twitter. Okay, now I'm going to be using Magma, it looks like. It looks like it's called Magma. I'm actually going to put it on with my finger. Oh, that's so much better if I do that. Oh, wow. I should have just been crazy this entire time. This has all come off, but you know, like, too bad. How sad. Never mind. And the next one that I'm putting on is Gravity. Gravity, honestly, it doesn't wow me. It's got like a dark blue and then a light blue transition. What I mean is it doesn't have, there's not much like groove to it. It's kind of like this is how it looks sort of thing. Okay, I'm just gonna go inside. Oh, wow. Oh. This shit's crazy, bro. this is like something Frank Ocean would release, eh? Like, this is something he would so do. Wow. Hope you guys are enjoying these swatches. They are, this is the best video I have ever produced in my life. No need to thank me or anything. The production here is pretty bloody good. And my team here is really bloody good. I never get any complaints because honestly, my just production theatre is just absolutely on fire. Look, I've been through it. I've been through enough in my life. This is the last thing I bloody need. The last one that I'm going to put on my eye is called Just a Girl, and it is meant to change your life, apparently. When I first saw this pigment, I was like, this is the reason why I need all 7. So let's just see if I'm right. Oh, caught you there. This is meant to have yellow in it, so let's just go under. Oh, it does! Look at that! Wow! Holy crap. Oh my god, look. Oh, I've done it. I've cracked it. This is how... Oh my god, this is what they want you to see. Wow, that was so... Oh my god, I just got an electric shock. Can you please go... Sorry, can you just go away? To be honest, just from putting everything on and all that jazz, was it worth $180? I don't think so. Okay, well, like, they're cool, but they don't come up as they look in the Instagram photos. Do you get what I mean? Like, it kind of... I was expecting to get this. Maybe I just haven't given it a good go. Maybe I actually just need to go out, try these on, wear them to parties. Not that I get invited to parties. Not that I go out anywhere. But maybe I just need to give it more of a go. But as of trying this on, I thought that the lighting would be like a little bit... Maybe I've just messed up the lighting. Maybe the lighting has just ruined this whole video for us. You know, maybe that is what has gone on. But to be honest, looking at this right here, kind of feel bad and a bit shit that I spent $180 on just these pigments. Maybe I just need to do like a tutorial with it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I need to do. I don't know what I need to do to fix this. But, chief, this ain't it, okay? But, I mean, the pigment's there, but it came off my arm really easily. Really, really, really easily. I don't know about the long wear of this, but it might not be the best. I don't know. I haven't worn it all day. I've only put it on in 2-minute intervals, so I cannot fully say to you guys, yeah, well, these last and they're really, really good. How much are they per, if you just buy them? So one each. Let me just show you. This right here, $25. Yep, $25 for this. So if I do just quick maths, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 100, okay? 25, 50, 75. Okay, so it cost me 175 USD, and then I had to pay for shipping, probably like $10 shipping. So this is just a lot of money. I think at the beginning I said it was 183 NZ dollars. That's a lie. I've actually just remembered that is completely wrong. It actually cost me NZD to USD. What is that in New Zealand? $281. Do you want to see a $280 palette? It's right here. Obviously my dad doesn't watch over me because he wouldn't let me do stupid things like this, but I actually did spend nearly $300 on these 7 eyeshadows, and to be honest, I'm not really blown away. Just terrible. Oh my god, why did I do that? I just don't think it's worth it, TBH. I'm sure we could find something a little bit like different that's actually like a little bit cheaper, but I went ahead and did that, not just for me but for you guys as well, just to see if it really was worth it. My AdSense is doing so shit at the moment because no one's watching my stuff, no one's subscribing to me, so... Have you guys ever heard of nervous diarrhea? Okay, here's the thing. I was completely, it was kind of like one of those infomercial ads. I was completely like catfished. It looked amazing on Instagram, you know. I was pulled by the balls, basically. I honestly thought that this product would change my entire life, and you guys too, especially for content wise. I'm obviously going to use them. I have to use them. I'm going to use every single granule. I literally just had $25 on my eye. I'm just letting you know. I just had $25 worth of pigment on my eye. So I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like I've been scammed. Obviously I haven't been scammed. I got the product. Everything's all cool. Not really though, but like, you know what I mean? Like I got the product, and it just didn't turn out to be as great as I thought it would be. Maybe it is great. Maybe I'm in the wrong headspace. Sorry, I'm just trying to talk myself into like putting some positive like thoughts into this, because right now it's a really negative situation and I'm trying to get myself out of this negative situation so I don't dwell on it. But honestly, just to be more negative, I cannot believe I spent nearly 300 New Zealand dollars on 7 eyeshadows. I should have bloody known, but I really thought it would really be just a game changer, and at the moment it's not a game changer. Yeah, I'm very disappointed. Oh my god, oh man, I can't believe I did that. So, if you're wanting to buy Chaos eyeshadows, maybe just get 1 or get none. Don't get all 7. I don't think it's actually... It looks so good on the website though. That's what I don't understand. It looks amazing. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I've done this completely wrong. Maybe this is all wrong. Maybe this is my fault. I'm doing something not right. Okay, well, I'm just about to go into a breakdown and feel sorry for myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my god. Okay, well, yeah, no, I'm gonna go now and have a bath and kind of like try to talk myself out of this negative space that I've just brought myself in, because I actually cannot believe that, it just did not work out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I'm in trouble. I'm actually in deep shit. I am now being, not demonetized. I'm not being demonetized, but I have been pinged every time I use my outro song. I've used that outro song for about 6 years, and I kind of don't want to give it up. But if it means I'm not making money, and I'm not, like, you know, looking after my family and myself and feeding myself, then I might need to change outros, which is awful and really sad. Maybe I should just do a whole new video on this, because people are going to be shocked and outraged and probably unsubscribe to me because of my new outro change. But like, I really want the Jackson 5, and I really want ABC, and I just want to keep my outro song, but I don't know how to do that. It's a remix as well. It's not like the actual song. I mean, like, I don't know. I need to go. Stay groovy, guys.